What's up guys, it's your boy Leonardo back at it again. So you're probably wondering why I'm in the back seat.
Because he's a bitch.
Because this Evo man over here
Yes, he got the lip.
got a he didn't even put it in the back for me. That's selfish as. Anyway, on the way to his house now. Hopefully this won't take too long because your boy got plans, you know. But yeah, see you there. So back here, this guy's house. What do we got? What do we need actually? We need someone to buy the lip. We need a really long ass cable because our drill isn't, you know, powered with batteries or anything. It goes over there. Just crosses his old street, you know, just over there. That's alright. Double-sided tape, some washers, some drills, bolts and nuts and that,
Screw tips,
and the Evo Lip. It's good, man.
Oh, I can hear the scrape. I can feel it.
Alright, so already run into a bit of a problem. Actual lip, it fits, but it's just hitting this like guard here. But we've custom cut it.
Yeah.
And he's gonna do the same in the other side.
Check out this saw.
Yeah, yeah,
Blunt.
yeah.
Alright, we made small progress on this.
Yeah, look at that. DIY cuts there. It's not bad. So, go in the car. We'll take these off so we can put the nut right on the bumper. Because we don't have, I mean, I can't. It'll just take too long taking the whole bumper out. Now we just gotta drill these holes bigger. Here, I don't know if you can see them. There you go. They'll fit these. And yeah. So it took us a while, but we finally got there. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Next up, it's gonna be this.